What up? What up, my peoples, my bros, my anybody out there, my older man, my dudes, my black bros. What's up? So today let's take a let's talk about this Impulse DJ Impulse 500. My island bros. What's up? And for the visually impaired people who use the magnifying glass, I um I got a habit of really trying to zoom in on things that I buy so that you could get well, I like to look up close to the things I buy for whatever reason. I don't know. It's a bad habit of mine. So let me shut up and give you a very up close and personal view of the Impulse 500. And if there are any scuff marks or any unclean things on here, let me know. All right, so this is let's zoom out first, and yeah. So from right to left, let's travel from right to left. Uh, if you're left-handed, I don't know. Doesn't matter. All right, so let's slowly go across. These are the buttons. Yeah, I see some scarf marks over here, but these are the buttons, how it looks up close. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna find anybody else on YouTube who is going to give an up close and personal view of things like myself. Very, very anal like that. So let me put the light on again so that you could see. Let me put this light off here. Okay, here you go. All right, so this is an up close and personal view of the Impulse 500, the interface. Let's talk about it a little bit because I want to separate you from your money and be the devil's advocate all of the time. Advocate for the devil to separate you from your money. Now, I'm not sponsored by Hercules or anybody. I don't think anybody's going to sponsor me. And let's pretend that I am at a fish market and I'm a salesman there. What kind of salesman? I don't know. I love fish markets and I love creepy places. So let me uh, let me talk about this Impulse 500 so that, as I said, you could either steal the money or you could liquidate your bank account to buy one of these. Now, I bought this about 10 months ago and I bought it for like, not 10 months ago, I bought it about a year ago. That was a Black Friday sale and I bought it at Walmart. So I live in America, but I'm from the islands and I go back and forth routine regularly. So got homes in both places. All right, so the price on that one is I got it for like 250. Um, and as I'm looking on the website now, that very same one now is like at $2.99. And then there's another one, the same one. It's at it's the very same one, but it's $3.39. It's a good, that's like a slightly, it's the same one but with a different interface. And that one is similar, but it's a two channel 200 that has less. This is slightly better than this one. So if you want to spend money on the one that's less, then that's up to you. um, I say it's a good buy. So like for 250 or $300 in Eastern Caribbean dollars, you're talking about, the conversion rate is about $700. And by the time you go through customs, I guess in any one of these islands, you're talking about maybe paying half of the price of that. So if it's like $700, they may charge you like $500 in custom fees. And so 700 plus 500, that's what, 1200. I'll say give it take 1,400 EC dollars. But if you're gonna spend that much money, you might as well buy something more expensive, more something with more features, so that you make a one-time purchase. Um, I mean, if you make a one-time purchase, then you should might as well buy something that's better than this. That's what I meant to say, because the customs is gonna kill you. And if you come to America or you order this stuff, just buy a better one. Now this one has a lot of features. I don't know how to I don't know how to use all of it yet. I'm not a DJ. I'm just a user, and I'm going to show you what I don't know how to use yet, which is slicer and sampler. I'm still I haven't used it. I haven't reviewed or looked at any videos or followed the manual on that. This has a manual. That's a good thing about that, and it has tutorial videos. So, and I also have not learned the slip and the quants. So these are the two things I have left. It has a beat align, which is good, and beat match guide, beat align. I am not. You're supposed to learn how to beat match by ear by listening. I at my age, I'm in my mid 40s, so I don't really care much about that. It's not like I will be playing for any kind of like crowds or as a professional. That's not my DJing. Playing music is not something I do for income. It's for just for my personal taste. Back in the day, I used to have all the turntables. I did have the Technics SL 1200, but I sold it back, it's 20 plus years ago. Um, and I just went with something simple. This is the Panasonic SH306. I still have it. So I came from this Panasonic up to this to learn. And you know, as you get up there in age, you just want to try something new. So I do have my old speakers. As you can see, these are my old Geminis from way back when. I kept them. And this is my Denon. I will talk about these things at another time, but let's continue to talk about this here. So yeah, as I said, I don't know about the slicer, sampler, and slip and quants, but it's a good buy. I think as a man, I'm all about men. Uh, you know, at least the older man, middle-aged man, 45 and up. You know, but getting back to the music. For me, it's therapy, and I like it. No, I can't do any mixes on here because I'm a newbie on here, and I did try to make some mixes, soca, kaiso, calypso mixes, and what happened was that I run into some copyright issues. Now, you may say, well, whatever, but I got some things to lose. I mean, you got a house and other things, so I'm not gonna chance it. So I won't be making any mixes. But I'm learning and I'm loving it. Um, so if you're a young man and you should get back into music, whatever you do. I was always listening to music. I always love it's therapy for me. It's just something about music. It's songs, different genres, especially kaiso, calypso, soca, bouillon, zouk compa, island music. That's what I'm into. That's my genre of music. And yeah, okay. So as I continue to learn, I make more videos about this. I think I just got to learn the assistant on this. It's pretty good. And the lights, what the meaning of the lights, the energy. And there's a whole lot to it that's very exciting. Even the software that it comes with, like it comes with Serato and Juiced. And that's another learning curve for me, learning how to use the software. And to my understanding, you could use the software and not buy this. So if I were you, I would first just use the software to see which one you like, because some of these things are they are they are compatible with only certain softwares. So this one is juiced, and yeah, just look into the software. I can't really explain it now because I don't want to clip this video too long, but you could download the software and play with it on your laptop and control it, and then afterwards you could buy this. Okay.